Hello guys, the Whirlpool dishwasher W7F and welcome on specification overview video. So the size of this device is 60 centimeters of wide, 85 centimeters of high and 59 centimeters of depth. The inlet hose length is about 155 centimeters and the drying hose length is 1.5 meter. The energy class is C, the capacity is for 15 sets, the power consumption for 100 cycle is 76 kilowatt hours, the water consumption for eco cycle is 9.5 liters, the duration of eco program is 3.5 hours. The noise level is 43 decibels and it's class B. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.